Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by protecting yourself and the part. Put on eye protection, an N95 mask, hearing protection, and gloves. Select the correct disc. Start with a 3660 grit flap disc or a wire cup for thick paint because grit controls material removal versus surface damage. Clamp the work solidly and install the wheel guard. Angle the grinder roughly 10-15 degrees so you skim paint instead of digging. Once done, test a small area to confirm speed and pressure feel right before proceeding. You should work in steady, overlapping strokes so each pass removes thin paint layers. This prevents gouging and gives even results. Hold the grinder at about 10-15 degrees and keep your travel speed consistent. Too slow burns paint and metal, too fast leaves residue. Pause briefly every 10 to 15 seconds to let the metal cool and to clear accumulated dust with a vacuum or damp rag. This also reveals progress, so you can adjust technique or change discs if the surface isn't responding. You finish by switching to a finer grit, 80 to 120, to feather edges and smooth transitions so primer bonds evenly. Clean the surface thoroughly. Vacuum, wipe with a degreaser, and make sure the area is dry before priming. Apply primer within 24 hours to prevent flash rust. If something goes wrong, if you see gouges, bluing from heat, or excessive sparks, stop, reduce pressure, lower speed, and consider a finer disc or a wire brush finish. This prevents permanent damage and salvages the work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.